Here's how to manage the mail settings on your iPhone easily. Go to the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Scroll and look for the Mail app, and then tap on it. Inside Mail Settings, tap on Mail Accounts. You will see all the email accounts connected to your iPhone, such as iCloud, Gmail, etc. Tap on Add Account. Enter your email address, and tap on Next in the top. To enter the password, tap on Open Browser from the pop-up. This will redirect you to a browser. Confirm your email address, and then enter your password, and log in to your account. Then tap on Continue. This will add that email account to the Mail app. Next, you can enable or disable options such as Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. After making the changes, tap on Save. After this, tap on Fetch New Data. If you select the newly added email, make sure it is set to Fetch to automatically update new mails. Go back to the main settings page again. Here, tap on Notifications, scroll down a little, and select Mail. You can turn notifications on or off, or choose alert styles. Next, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Customize Notifications. Tap on the new email address. You can enable both alerts and badges so that you don't miss a mail. And that's it.